Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Please try to listen with me, maybe with an earphone or something, because I cannot speak loudly. I'm not healthy enough to speak loudly. I'm trying to bring you the analysis because I know people are waiting for it. So please bear with me. Today is Sunday, the 5th day of December. Yes. Yeah, Sunday, 5th day of December 2021. Year is coming to an end. I want to bring you a few analysis. When someone will call you from Biafra, West Africa. So now, as I've been speaking for a long time, DXY is at a reversal at our reversal zone. You know, with DXY, go back again before we finally get the selling. It was 84, 85, 86. It's possible, but it's too early to sell. You know, we focus on what we are. We focus on what we are. We focus on what will give us money at the moment. So daily suggests that we are going down at least towards this level again. Maybe when after the ABC or something like that, we might go up again before the final dropping. But now, let us go to 4 hours to check. Or let me check 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours. Let me go to 4 hours. You know, 4 hours. This is an example of WXY or ABC. Whichever one you call it, it can be an A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is A. This is B. Though the B, because of this sharp drop, sharp drop, the B is not how B should be. Okay, but nevertheless, you know that bigger time frame is similar to lower time frame. So let us focus on bigger time frame and ignore what happened on 1 hour here. So in my own calculation, we get an A, B, C. So and C, this seems to be with one of the C, one maybe two. In fact, if the price breaks this low, if the price breaks this low in a sharp manner, then this will be correct. But let me add something. Let me add the channeling. Okay, so maybe we're going to get this A, B, C before we buy again. That is, if the buy is still there. In my opinion, the correction we end this year, maybe by January, February, we begin to see the sell-off. But for now, let us focus on this drop. You know, and secondly, this can be an anyway. Let me leave the second option. This is what I'm comfortable with. Let me leave it like this for now. You know, USD is opposite of DXY. You know, USD in 4 hours. There is a second possibility. If it works on USD, it will also work on DXY. The second possibility is that this is A, B, C, D, E. But I don't really like it. I don't really think it will happen like that. But sometimes it does happen. This can be an A, B, C, D, E. And if that is the case, let me label it. That is the last option I have. This is A, B, C, D, E. Then it will drop from here. But I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think it will happen. In case if it happens, don't be surprised. But just like I show you on DXY, that dollar index, this is with 1, 2, 3, or maybe this is with, let me use ABC. Let me remove the 1 because it's too early to say it is with 1 or 2. So let me just use what is obtainable, so to say. So this can be with A, then with B, then C, we go up here. A, B, C. So if we check, if we go to that lower time frame, you can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the typical of wave A. Wave A is always 5 waves. Then wave C also 5 waves. So this is wave A. Then this wave B. Though the shape of the wave is not how wave B should look like. But sometimes the market will do what seems to be odd. Okay, so let's assume that this is wave B for now. So to me, this is wave B, and what we get now is just like I show you on this. What is 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, something like this is what I expect to happen. Then after this, you might see get a sell-off to give us a new low. But for now, I don't think we're getting new low from here. I don't think. Okay. But if it happens, we see it. But as long as this wave 2 does not go below this place, then we are getting a new high. As a matter of fact, let me put lines. A close above here, a close above this level confirms this wave C. Then a close below this level invalidates it. It means we are going lower. So this current movement, if it goes above this, sure, we get this. If it comes to close above this, then we get a lower we get a lower move down. Okay, so that is it. JPY. JPY daily chart shows that we have gotten an A, B, C. You know, last week or last 2 weeks, I said expect the correction to end at the box. So it's touched the box, plus touched the box, and with the channeling. So maybe we can still come back deeper in it, or we just go up, continue buying. So to know what will happen next, let us check 8 hours, 4 hours, or maybe 2 hours. Okay. We see the sharp move and sharp drop and also rejection. So 4 hours we do us a better service. Okay. 3 waves up, 1 wave down, and this rejection, it has something to say. So in my opinion, we have a move. We have a move that we have a move that will break this level. So in my opinion, if we don't get a move above this level, I don't favor selling. Okay, so as I was saying, if we don't get a move above this level, don't buy. Let us see a move above this before we buy. Unless you are trading lower time frame, like 1 hour, 15 minutes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, anyway. Whenever we get 5 waves, we get another 3 waves move. So, but I want to ignore lower time frame and focus on bigger time frame, because what I expected is after this, we will get a little pullback, but this sharp move created something different. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after this type of move, what do we get again? We will get an L, G, C. So I don't know which one that will happen. But for now, I want to watch what is happening. I want to be precise before I pull the trigger. This an ending diagonal, and I expected the price to be moving up from here, but it dropped so sharply. So whenever such confusion comes to play, you better be on the side of the line and focus on other plays. USD is one of my favorite plays, but I have to watch what is happening now before I join again. Unless I see another buy setup within this area, then I will definitely buy. Pounds USD. Pounds USD have given us WXY, a complete double zigzag. Now this is a zigzag, ABC zigzag, ABC X, and then ABC again. They're giving us a complete double zigzag. So I don't have a second thought about the buying. Let us see 4 hours. So whenever a pair is taking up a new dimension, sometimes it delays. But I don't have a second thought about the buying. So if you don't have any other place to trade, buying pounds USD. So pounds USD have confirmed that it is buying. Okay, you can see the sharp move. You can see the sharp move. This can be 1, A, B, C, 2, then 3 is developing. And of course, this is the confirmation level. I put it here to eliminate all doubts, but it's already confirmed here. Okay, but just let it be here. The bind is confirmed, and since we are ended the correction on daily time frame, the buying will continue to go up, 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 up. At least we have to get to 1.36 at least. But this is where we are going. 1.4344 and so on. This is where we are actually going, because this is the fourth wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe for now, January, February, we will be buying pounds USD. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. Just like pounds USD, we are getting with 4 have completed. Now with 5 is what we are going to buy. Let me go to let me check 8 hours. This is an example of correction. The pounds USD did something a truncation, but to me the selling is over on pounds JPY. The selling is over to me. So the break of this channel confirms the buy. So let me go lower to show you more things you need to. Okay, this pin bar is a sign of the markets have turned in our reversal zone. You might try to come back to it and got rejected. It's began to go up, tried again, got rejected. So I have more confidence about the buying. So I have more confidence in the buying than anything else on pounds JPY. Just wait for the break of this channel. Simple. Pounds New Zealand. There's a nice ABC forming. We are getting the A, then the B is almost finished. So don't miss this cell. It's gonna drop. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get ABC. So pounds New Zealand is coming down to 1.9 to 1.925 and thereabout. So find your entry maybe on 1 hour. Let me check 1 hour. This is DB. Okay, let me go to my figure. Okay, just keep your eyes on how the market reacts, because I don't think it will go above 61.8. I don't think it will go above this level. Okay, maybe a little push up small to get the sell. So that's all I can tell you on pounds New Zealand. USD chef. Remember USD I said we will likely get this big ABC. Will it happen? It's still too early, as I used to say, it's still early to say whether it happened or not. But we keep following how price develops in our time frame. That will determine whether it will happen or not. And in 8 hours, it's likely that we're getting an ABC. Let me go down to 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is a big A. Whenever we are correcting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is A. Then, so then this seems to be like B. Let me plot the figure. And this is 1.8%. So I think the selling started here. Then this again, then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to me, USD chef is selling. I don't have a second option on this. The selling started here on 3, 4. So going lower at least 0.90, 907, 906, and thereabout, or at least 91. USD JPY. Something similar to USD chef. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This, and that is with A. Then ABC. We expect another the price to move up to complete the FIBO level. I would like to see it complete the FIBO level. And after that, I'll be glad to sell. It's showing signs of selling, but since it didn't complete, okay, let me check. Of course, it touched 50%, but I would like to see it go deeper. If it goes deeper, I will sell. If it doesn't go deeper, I will ignore it. If I see another push move up to this level, I will sell from here to here. AUD USD. AUD USD in a bigger time frame, we expect WXY. So now we are getting WX, then Y. We expect it to give us something like this. So let's check lower time frame. Okay, now this move is strong and sharp. This move is strong and sharp. So I expect it to continue to give us a reversal. That is to get to this level. After that, we will know whether we will get this or we will get the price go down. For now, let's focus on getting this first. So let's focus on getting to 727, 734 area. So let's focus on getting to this level. But then we will know whether we will touch this before coming down, or we will just come down from here. I don't know yet. Either we come to this place, come down from here, or we come to this place, go up before coming down. Any of them is when price develops, we will know. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD, we have a channel which is a kind of triple zigzag. So if it's a triple zigzag, which means we will get price to drop further. Maybe after some move up, you get a price to drop further. So let's check 4 hours. Okay. Okay. The way the chart looks, I can only so I can the only buy I will buy is from here. Okay. If the price doesn't go above this level, what about the buying? Or let me go lower to 1 hour to see if there'll be a reason to buy from lower time frame. You can buy based on this. You can buy based on we have got an ABC. Let's assume this is an impulse. This is an impulse. Then this is correction A, B, C. So buying can make sense from here anyway. But the standard level is to buy above this level. That is the standard level for the buying. For those who will have their open order for weeks, days and weeks, 5 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, to buy from here because it's confirmed that this selling has ended. Okay, we are coming to an end, gradually coming to an end. This is you come to commodities. So this is platinum. Okay, let's go to daily. So platinum, let me go to 8 hours. Platinum, we expect the price to come to 1,000, between 1,012 and 1,033 before we think about anything else. So this sharp drop we have this correct to this level at least. That's all I can say about platinum. And as if this sharp move does not, if it doesn't close below it, we are definitely coming to this level. Let me go back down to 1 hour. Okay, so so the price comes above this level, give us more hope for this buying. Okay. Good. I keep saying that gold will likely come back to 1700, and I'm still saying it. Gold will likely come back to 1700. Only time will tell. So what I see on gold, that is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is an A. Then we are getting A, B, C. A, B, C. So if you get an A, B, C, then if price, unless we get a sharp move like this, a very sharp move. If not, if you get a corrective move as an ABC, forget it. Gold will drop to 1700 once more before the buy. So keep watching how it develops. Something similar is happening on silver also. The silver is somewhat different from gold, but you know they move in the same direction. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves again. So silver. So silver. So we like to get an ABC again on silver. If it happens, then the dropping will happen again. Okay, so natural gas. Natural gas, we expect an ABC. So natural gas will likely correct to 4.6, 4.5 area and drop again to 3.7 before the buying starts. What is all this? US oil. US oil. We expect another sell-off on US oil. They're getting the 5 waves. So, and this ABC is going to be very deep. So expect a new low in oil. Expect a new low in oil. But oil is coming back down to something again. That's what I can say about oil. So prepare for sale in oil. Prepare for sale in oil. So in my opinion, this is 1, 2, and also I've come to an end of this video. Please bear with me the way I speak, because I'm not ready enough to raise my voice up. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. Remember, we have class. We have 3 Telegram channels. Then you have students channel. We pay $500 to join our students. The $500 is coming to an end this year. Next year, the price will be increased. Either 50 or 1,000. I don't know yet. And next year, we have a new plan. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you.
Oh, we have to edit it.